Microwaves are great for zapping leftovers, but did you know they can also zap your health? A new study found over 100 bacterial strains lurking in microwaves from kitchens, labs, and shared spaces. Researchers discovered bacteria like Klebsiella and Brevirimonas, known for causing foodborne illnesses. Surprisingly, these bacteria survive the high heat and radiation, so next time you reheat your pizza, remember to clean your microwave regularly. Treat it like any other surface that comes into contact with food. Stay safe and keep it clean.